G'day, g'day. Late night. I'm awake, kind of. Not very. So, I'm just reaching for a lock. Oh, there we go. Wonder I couldn't feel anything. The plug needed to be rotated a little. A strange little lock. In terms of how it feels. Very sticky little thing when it wants to be. A little click back there. Let's see what else we can coax out of it. Another little click. Yeah, a mixture of spools and serrated pins, and not sure what's going on with the plug, whether there's some kind of undercutting or whatever. But I tell you, it binds up pretty well. So I'm guessing the cuts in the pins, the driver pins, a little click, are quite sharp. If there's some, whoa, almost kicked the tension tool out. So yeah, if there's some modifications to the plug as well, will probably explain a couple of things. Clickety clickety click. Okay, what the hell? I'm wondering whether I've underset some things. Maybe overset, I don't know. Push the tension tool back in a little bit before it comes flying out to say hello. Oops, slipped off this pin. Put back on. Oops. And we're open. Ay, caramba. You wouldn't believe it, would you? So there we have it. The Paclock 95G. Kind of a cool little lock. Lock-picking low made it look like a piece of cake. For me though, that took a little bit of effort. Because, why kids? Because I suck. But in any case, she is what she is. That's a cool little lock. Military grade padlock. 5 pins. Mixture of serrated pins and spool pins. Tension is a bit of a bugger to apply because if you apply a little bit too much, she just locks up like a crazy thing. And then, yeah, have fun from there. So, if you get a chance to have a crack at one, do have a crack at one. Don't expect it to be a walk in the park because you are going to have to adapt a little to try and get the tension right so you don't lock this thing up. But that's just me. Maybe you're better. Well, it wouldn't be hard to be better. But cool lock. So thank you, Lockpicking Lawyer, for the opportunity to pick this little beastie. Thanks to anybody that watched. Keep it real. Play safe. Have fun. Peace and respect, people. I'm out.